Okay, we're doing this. Here we go. This is a Chick-fil-A sandwich, unopened for maybe 6 months. I don't know. Let's see what's happening in here. All right, here's the sandwich. As you can see, it has been squished absolutely flat. It has been stuck inside my laptop bag maybe the past 6 months, unopened. So we're gonna try and see how a sealed Chick-fil-A sandwich stuck inside a laptop bag handles all that pressure and what's going on in here. What is happening? What is that? Oh, is that mold? Is that mold on there? Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't smell anything yet. Kind of afraid to touch it. I don't know. Here we go, going in. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's slimy. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, this is disgusting. Oh my. Oh, it's awful. It's awful. It doesn't smell though. I'm not smelling anything. Oh, it peeled off like a blister. Look at that thing just dangling. Oh, that bun is just wrecked. Oh, oh no. Oh, it's slimy. Oh, it is covered in slime. Oh, there's the pickles. There we go. Oh, it's hard as a rock. The actual chicken breast is. It feels like chicken that's been fried and then left over the next day in the fridge. Oh. No. What is that? Oh, that seems to be the only really disgusting part. That is the only growth on the whole thing right there. What happened? Would you eat this? I would not eat this. Maybe if you... I'm really surprised it's in this good a condition because I was expecting much more carnage on the mold front. Maybe some mushrooms growing on it. It is... It's really something. It's in this bun, complete pancake disaster. It's like a rubber. Let's see the bottoms. Oh, I don't want to touch it. Oh, the bun's not too bad. The pickles have seen better days. It's fine. It's fine. This is fine. Okay.